Zaithiam Adele Chanchin Tawi kumriat kalta tu hriat hlovak lo mihring Adele kha khovel pum huap mi hlo tling tak pakhat alo ni ta hi thilmak top kho kania tunlai thiam na sang zela music album le music video siam hi sum thuninu hekna hlir emo anti line Adele chon music industry tan amaka makarin phak bakin beisina eng haron siam sakta kumsang khasakwa somriat pariat kumapiang Adele Lori Blue Atkinsian sangni parukum khan Brit School of Performing Arts and Technology trangin a graduata sangni pasari kum khan ademo MySpace an ngai thla ka trangin Excel recording chuan aite chin nan recording contract an pea Helayan Brit Award Critics Choice Award adon ngal baka BBC Sound of 2018 pola a berakai te hialani sangni pariat kum khan album 19 tlangzar ni in rimoi khovela a onal dang dai le tliang tak chuan chungchuan mak tak a hlo chua baka sumle pailama po hlokna tel chok tamaya America rama TV program Saturday Night Live a hlate ti chu ania wangin khovela sumle pai tamna ber USA po alata zeka sangni pakokuma 51st annual Grammy Awards an semna khan Adele chuan Best New Artist Award le Best Female Pop Vocal Performance Award adong tahialani sangni sompakat kum khan Adele hian a studio album pani na 21 a hantlang zar chi chu a hlo tling le chiang hlea choi moina loman tam takadonga a album hi khovel puma makta du somthum pakhat chuang hral chua ania a loman ton te po them neu lo tak tak an ni hloma album of the year award tiamin Grammy Awards paruk British Album of the Year tiamin Brit Awards pani American Music Awards pathum tenni kumthuma cholnua sangni sompanga November thla khan a studio album pathumna 25 han tlang zar le chi chu pui hem takania USA phei chuan cholkar khat chungin digital copies makta duai khat an shalman dera hello ti hla kha a hit cher boka UK le USA cholkar khat chunga an shal number record thar asiam hialani sangni somparukum January ni sompanga an chu dan chuan Adele hian a record hi makta duai za shal to nin an chuta khovela record shal number world's best selling artist zinga aming hatel ve tawang mai ni